What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will do a OTG support test in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So if you want to attach a USB drive to your S25 Ultra, you're going to need this connector. So this is a type A and type C connector. So first of all, connect the USB drive with this connector from type A side, and after that put the type C type into the charger port. And after that it will show the notification for USB storage. So you can see the USB storage is added. So tap on this option, and from here you can open the USB storage and you can unmount. Now again attach the USB to open it. So now this time I'm going to open the USB storage. So that's how you can use the USB storage and OTG connector in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.